In this demonstration, we're going to look at managing the events created by Managed Availability. Managed Availability integrates active monitoring and automated recovery for Exchange Server 2016 workloads, instead of just attempt to identify an alert on the root cause of an issue. So Managed Availability tries to perform recovery automatically, and this represents a new approach to monitoring. It moves away from monitoring separate components to a more holistic end-to-end view of the end-user experience that focuses on the availability, latency, and errors associated with the workload. So what we're going to look at here is we're going to look at View Managing Availability Configuration and Event Viewer. We'll also have a look at how we could do that as well through the Exchange Management Shell. So what I've done at this point here, I've come into Event Viewer. Within Event Viewer, we'll now look at the events associated with Managed Availability. So what we'll do here is we'll come into our Application Service Logs. Within our Application Service Logs, the next thing we want to look at here is we just want to have a look at our Microsoft logs. So we'll go to Microsoft, and then within Microsoft, we'll come to Exchange. And within Exchange, we'll now come to Active Monitoring. Expand this up a bit further. What we're going to look at here is we're now going to have a look at our EWS CTP probe log. So we'll just expand up Active Monitoring. Pull this across a little bit just so we can see all of the events. So what we're looking for here is we're looking for probe definition. So now what we'll do is we'll just click our Find button. And in our Find button, what we're interested in here is we're interested in the EWC or EWSC, and then TP, and then probe. So we'll just find that information. So what we'll do at this point here is we'll select Cancel. So what we've got down here is we've got the probe definition identity. So we've got the EWS probe. Scroll this down a little bit, we can see the source is active monitoring, see when it was logged, see event ID, you can see all the information related to our active monitoring. So now let's just click the details. And what we can see here, if we just expand up System, we can see here we've got the provider, the name is Microsoft Exchange Monitoring. So we can see that in place. If we just scroll back a bit, and all we'll do here is we'll just scroll down. So what we can see here, we can see the GUID, see the version, scroll down a bit further, we can see when this event was created. See what was executed. We can see yet again it's active monitoring. So remember, active monitoring is monitoring services. In the case of service failure, it'll restart the service. So we can see exactly where the active monitoring is running from. And if we keep scrolling it down, we get information relating to active monitoring. We can also get all of this information as well by going to Exchange Management Shell. So let's just go to the Management Shell. Let's just expand this up. Let's just clear off the screen, and let's just issue the commandlet that will allow us to have a look at the information related to the active monitor. So granted, not probably the most intuitive Exchange Management Shell commandlet you could put in here. So I've got brackets get -win event, -log name, Microsoft -exchange, -activity monitoring, -probe definition. Then we're using a pipe, use the percentage sign. And what we're going to do here is we're going to do a brace, square bracket, XML, close square bracket, $_dot. So what we're going to do is search through everything and return everything back to XML, couple of brackets, more brackets, .event, .userdata, .event XML, pipe that out, question mark, brace, $_dot name, -like, and then we're just looking for the Exchange Web Services control probe. I'm going to close off those, close off the brace, pipe that out, and format the list. Now, believe it or not, this is returning back the same information that Event Viewer returned back. So yet again, what we can see here is we can see the component related to active monitoring or managed availability. An Exchange server gives us this functionality of if we find any failed services, Exchange is monitoring itself and Exchange will restart those services. And that's the end of this demonstration. Thank you.